Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Davi from Group 1, and in here I wanna explain about number 1, that is introduce complete beginner to computer system. Maybe will be effective if we explain about hardware first. Uh, First, monitor. The function for monitor is to display graphic. Second, CPU. CPU, the function from like a brain in computer. Third, there is mouse. Mouse, the function from mouse to move the cursor. Number 4, there is speaker. The function from speaker is to produce sound. And last, there is flash disk. The function from flash disk is to save file. Maybe we call flash disk with external memory. And from number second, I wanna explain about basic computer. Computer is device used to processing data, and where that computer is electronic device which consists of several components that work together for the purpose of being able to run the job automatically. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Agin Rohman. I'm from Group 1 and I will explain about major component of computer, use of computer in commerce and industry, and practical experience. And the first is major component of computer. There is 5 major component of computer. There is input unit, memory or storage unit, output unit, arithmetical and logic unit, and control unit. The first input unit. Input unit is the unit that the data into the data enter to the computer, and memory is to store the data temporarily or permanently. The temporarily is called RAM, and for permanently is called hard disk. Output unit. Output unit is a port to final information, such as the print paper or printed image. The fourth is arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic is to process arithmetical instructions, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in very high speed. And logic unit is to operate some operation that such as decision yes or no. And the fifth is control unit. Control unit is to control anything in the computer. Second, use of computer in commerce in industry. In commerce, computer is used mostly for e-commerce, and e-commerce is online trading, buying or selling that use internet and website. The most popular e-commerce in the world, such as Amazon and Alibaba. And for industry, the computer are used to such a robot. A robot, why robot? Because robot is more efficient, faster, and more accurate than human beings. And the third is practical experience. Why practical experience is important? Because practical experience will improve skills, interactive education, creates deeper impact, and interesting mean easy. Improve skill. Skill is important because without practicing, our theory is cannot be used in real life. And interactive education creates deeper impacts because interactive is more efficient for learning. Interactive mean interesting. So interesting in interesting our in interesting when we learn something that we interest, there it will be easy to learn. Okay, that's all for me. Sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Nurenda Oktina Suryadi. I will here explain about computer and computer function. Okay, computer. Computer is a tool used to process data according to procedure that have been formulated. The word computer was originally used to describe people whose work performed arithmetic calculation with or without aids. But the meaning of the word was then transferred to the machine itself. Originally, information processing was almost exclusively related to arithmetic problems. But the modern computer were used to many tasks unrelated to the mathematics. Computers have very diverse and complex function. The first function is the input. The second is the process, and three is the output, and the last computer function is the storage. Okay, thank you.
My name is Nisandora Pipa S. Here I want to explain something about the basic structure computer hardware and the basic structure software computer. Okay, here the first I want to explain something about basic structure computer hardware. The first is input device, output, and the second output device, and the third is I/O ports and CPU and memory and data bus and address bus and control bus. And then we wanna explain something about software or basic structure of software are system operation, activity program, language program, packet program application. That's all. Thank you.
Nabil Ramdhani, I want to introduce about advantages software tools. Software tools is computer program that the software developer use to create debug, malina, and other ways to support other program application. The term usually refers to relatively program that can be combined together to accomplish tasks, much as one might use a multiple hand tools to fix physical object. The most basic tools are source code editor and a compiler or interpreter. And next is language processor. Language processor is a software program designed to use to perform tasks such as generate machine code, the machine, and many more. Language processor are found in language such as Cortana and COBOL. Documentation tools. Documentation tools is used to tell how to operate software. Example: Markdown, GitHub, and Mac and simple MDG.
Muhammad Farid Sija. I'm from Group 1. I will explain about it, spreadsheet, database, and communication. Spreadsheet sheet application program is software for workshop auto processing data in form of rows and columns. Spreadsheet has function display and manipulated data in rows and columns. Database is a collection information stored in columns systematically, so it can be checked using computer to obtain information from the database. Communication is process whereby a person or persons, group organizations, and society create and uses information to connect with the environment and other. Positive impact. better than communication, faster and more aggression and work completion and efficiency in about usage. Thank you.
Today, computers have very diverse and complex functions. The first function is the input, which is receiving data or information from an external source. The second is the process. The main function of the computer is to do the processing. And three is the output. Once processed, the resulting information will perform the output function. The result will be available for use by other users for device. Example of output is speaker and monitor. The last computer function is a place to store information. Storage that is done varies depending on how to the information will be used. Okay, thank you.